You know you need to blog, but what the heck are you supposed to write about? Hey there, I'm Abby Herman with Write Solutions, and I'm in the camp of every business needs a blog. The content that you post on your blog helps to drive traffic to your website, and it helps to educate and inform your audience so that you can build that know, like, and trust factor with people who are just discovering you. Most business owners know this, but they struggle with what they're supposed to blog about, so they just don't. And that's not a good way to run a business. I'm going to share with you today 6 blog topic ideas you can put to use in any business. Now, before we dive in though, I want you to know that it's really important to make sure that your blog topics align with your business goals and your content strategy. So don't just take these topics and run with them. Take them and make sure that they are aligned with the direction that you want to go in your business. So here we go. The first topic, how to. You probably get a ton of questions in your business. Either it's people emailing you with questions or questions that you get directly one-on-one with clients. Take some of those questions that you get most often and answer them in individual blog posts. For example, I get a lot of questions about how to create a content strategy. So I have written blog posts that help people walk through the steps of creating content strategies. If you're a website designer and you have clients asking you how to change a font color or how to change the size of an image, create a blog post about it, or better yet, create a blog post and a tutorial video. Another topic that any business owner can use is your pet peeves. So like what not to do. What are some of the things that you see people do related to your industry that are just not best practices? Without really calling anyone out, talk about this in your blog and offer suggestions of what to do instead. For example, if you're a photographer and you notice people who are creating their own flat lays, but maybe they're a little too busy, create a blog post about it explaining why less might be more. Another great topic any business owner can use is your biggest lessons. So I've been in business for about 11 years, 5 of those full-time, and I have learned a lesson probably almost every week in business. It's fun to look back at where I've come from and to talk about some of the lessons that I've learned as a business owner and also as a content strategist and copywriter. Share some of those lessons with your audience and help them to learn too. As an added bonus, it does make you look a little more human when you talk about past mistakes. Tip number 4, top tools to whatever it is you do. This is an idea that you can use again and again and again. You're an expert in your field. You're an expert at what you do. What are some of the tools that you use to help you do your job well? I promise you that you are not giving away the farm when you offer this information and advice. In fact, you can probably include affiliate links in your post as well. The 5th topic that any business owner can use is a day in the life. People love to see the behind the scenes of what you do. So it can either be behind the scenes of what you do or what you do for clients. Talk about the nitty-gritty details of the things that you do to either help grow your business or to help others in their businesses. Show off if you make products, show off how you do it. Show all of the little details that people love to see. It makes you much more human and people start to appreciate you and your pricing because they see what it is that goes into what you do. And my last topic idea that any business owner can use is the books, podcasts, interviews, blogs, Instagram feeds that you are following. At the end of every month, I offer a book review for all the books that I've read during the month or the books that I've finished during the month. And I think it really demonstrates your willingness to continue to grow as a person, as a business owner, and as a professional in your field. And a lot of business owners appreciate that growth and the forever learning mindset that you have. Let people know what you're finding valuable and what you're taking back and using in your own business. To recap, think outside the box when you are developing ideas for your content strategy. Make sure that the ideas that you're using are aligned with your business goals and are giving your audience the information that they want and that they need. There's nothing wrong with giving away free content to your audience. It helps to nurture that know, like, and trust factor, and it helps to stimulate conversations with your audience. If you like the information that I shared today, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.